Beep, 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 beep. The piercing scream is not the alarm designed to wake you up. It's the alarm signaling it's time to wrap things up and climb into bed. What do you mean you don't have a bedtime alarm? According to research from Brigham Young University, if you're weight watching, this is a must-have item for your weight loss toolkit. Join us for this episode of Better Body Chemistry TV as we uncover the clandestine lifestyle hack skinny college girls use to keep their figures and unpack how a bedtime alarm could help you emulate them. Better Body Chemistry TV is brought to you by Dr. Sandy, a scientist turned gremlin buster, helping you battle sugar gremlins, hair lumps, and other health horribles through better body chemistry. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health. The Brigham Young team set out to explore the links between body composition and habitual sleep patterns in college girls. To do this, they enlisted the help of 300 female university students between the ages of 17 and 26 years. Now, because the team is interested in more than just weight, which can sometimes be deceiving, they had the girls hop into a bod pod, which is a machine which precisely quantifies how much of the body is made up of fat at the start of the study. Once their body composition had been documented, the girls were then hooked up to an actigraph, which is a device which measures activity 24/7. The device was worn for 7 consecutive days and nights. The only time it was taken off was when the girls bathed or showered. This allowed the researchers to keep tabs on what the girls were up to for the week, recording when they were awake and when they were asleep. The team then crunched the numbers, looking for patterns. Now, the first pattern they noticed, the girls who were not getting sufficient beauty sleep, that is, they were sleeping less than 7 hours a night, were heaviest. No surprises here. Numerous studies have shown that being sleep deprived creates bad body chemistry and leads to bad behavior. You crave sugar when you're tired, both of which pack on the pounds. But it was the second pattern that emerged from the data that was the big surprise. Getting enough sleep was not the whole story. The team discovered that the skinniest girls in the group all did more than just get 8 hours a night. They got their 8 hours at the same time every night, exhibiting very little variation in sleep and wake times. This can be seen here. The more variation in bedtime, the more body fat. This was not a calorie effect. Remember, in this study, calories were not being counted. What was counted was sleeping time. And the results of this study confirm sleep counts when it comes to weight watching. The better you sleep, the skinnier you will be. But better sleep is not just about quantity and quality. It's also about consistency. Those late nights and lie-ins can encourage fat cells to hold onto their fat stores. Now, most weight loss schedules focus on eating less and moving more. In fact, truth be told, the list of things to do when on diet can actually lead you to getting less sleep, not more. But sleep is essential for weight loss because this is the time when fat is being lost. If you want to lose weight, you need to pay attention to what is happening in your bedroom. You want to get enough sleep and do so consistently. Odds are you're using an alarm to get yourself out of bed. It might not always be a pretty picture, but, well, it works. No matter what, you roll out of bed and get going. The trouble is, no matter what doesn't happen on the other side of your evenings. What happens the night before can be all over the place. One night it could be an early night. The next it's an all-nighter as you scramble to make a deadline. Or maybe it's something more pleasant, a movie marathon on Netflix or a special evening with friends. Because you're sleep savvy, you make a plan to catch up the sleep you've missed. But that fat-burning machinery is not as flexible as you are. Aish. This is where a bedtime alarm can come in handy. It signals to you to get yourself into bed around the same time every night, no matter what. So, how do you use one? Well, odds are you already have a busy morning schedule. You've got your start time figured out and programmed into your clock or smartphone. This is in place on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Make sure it also applies to Saturday and Sunday. Now, take your start time and subtract 8 hours from it. So if you're starting at 6 a.m., your bedtime should be 10 p.m. Next, figure out how long it takes you to get into bed. For me, I can do the bedtime ritual of bathing, etc. in around 30 minutes. So I buzz myself at 9:30 p.m. When the alarm signals, I know it's time to pack things up and head for bed. Assuming I obey the signal, I end up in bed pretty much at the same time every night. If you do this regularly, your body syncs itself up with the arrangement. Long term, the consistency will help you create better body chemistry and keep you slim and trim. Interested in discovering more ways to create better body chemistry or need a little help getting your body chemistry on track? Visit our website at www.betterbodychemistry.com. Browse our library or enroll in one of our courses or programs. The advice is simple to follow and based on real science, not hype. Know someone who's weight watching? Share this video with them so they know to make getting into bed at the same time every night something to put on their to-do list. And if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you catch future episodes of Better Body Chemistry TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health.